Just a few minutes ago, under the rain, we took down the Fincantieri flag and raised the MSC Cruise flag, and so I think that now is the time to give the floor to Mr. Francesco Vago, Chairman Executive of MSC Cruises, for his speech. Mr. President of the Republic, Mr. Minister, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here today to celebrate together the handover of MSC Seaside, the biggest ship ever to have been built in Italy. And we would like to thank the President of the Italian Republic, Sergio Mattarella, on my behalf and on behalf of the Amponte family. It is a great honor to have you here to attend this historic moment for MSC Cruises and for the entire MSC group. I also would like to thank all the other authorities who are here today, the Minister for Infrastructure and Transport, Mr. Graziano Del Rio, the President of the Friuli-Venezia Giulia region, Mrs. Deborah Serracchiani, the Mayor of Monfalcone, Anna Cisin, Monsignor Arnano Sozzin, and all civil and military authorities who are here with us today. Mr. President, your presence here today is a sign of great attention to our group, but also to this territory and to those who live off the sea. It testifies to the fact that Italian institutions are fully aware of the importance that maritime industry plays and has in Italy, thanks to the benefits it generates for the national economic system. A ship such as MSC Seaside is an investment of about 700 million euro, creates jobs in the shipyards, of course, but not only in the shipyards. 2,000 workers every month in the shipyard, with peaks of 3,300 workers when the delivery time is approaching. Today we have over 7,000 people, if we take into consideration also work going on her sister ship, MSC Seaview. Building a ship feeds and nurtures also a wide range of companies, suppliers of equipment, services, furnishing, craftsmen, all extraordinary excellences of the made-in-Italy products. Mr. President, the economic benefits of this ship and of every ship that we as owners order will not stop today, nor do they stop when we stop building the ship. And ships such as this one generate economy, no matter wherever they go to operate. And we see this especially in Italy. In 2018, MSC will be carrying over 3 million passengers in 14 ports. Our passengers spend on average €400 at every port of call, visiting the beautiful cities and art cities in the world, such as the 53 UNESCO sites that can be reached thanks to our cruises. With a presence in 67 countries, MSC is one of the greatest promoters of Italy in the world. We bring here millions of tourists who then fall in love with our country, and they become enthusiastic ambassadors of our country. 54% of our guests, 2 years after having gone on a cruise, come back to Italy for a longer vacation, using the land-based infrastructure and therefore creating economic growth for the country and making the tourism grow in the country. I'm talking about blue economy, which creates jobs that are solid, beneficial, economic and tangible. 44 billion euro a year, which is equal to 3.5% of GDP and world balance distributed between the north, south and center part of Italy. In proportional terms, a blue economy creates over 2 million jobs. MSC Cruises can boast over 300 years of maritime Italian tradition, and this group operates not only in the cruise industry. We are a leading brand in this in Europe, but also in other sectors that have a common denominator, the sea. That is to say, in freight trade, MSC is second in the world in ferry boats, where we are leader company in the Mediterranean with very fast ships and stuff, and in managing the terminals, where we are sixth in the world. MSC activity generates an economic impact in Italy of about 5 billion euro, that is to say over 10% of the 43 billion I mentioned earlier on. 10,000 Italians are our employees. I believe that today is the right occasion to try to also make some considerations at national level. The time has come to find a balance at European level that will promote the employment of community citizens. In our case, for example, the ships under construction, of a couple of years, will be employing over 30,000 people. We do hope that the laws and rules and regulations will be adjusted so that the majority of these people will be Italian boys and girls, young men and women. And the rules of the Italian register of ships, therefore, must not be the object of contrasts within the sector in Italy, but an opportunity that hopefully the politicians will be able to understand. Investing in Italy, not only in infrastructure, is part of the spirit of our family. It's part of our DNA. And that is why today we're here, guests of Fincantieri, to receive our first Made in Italy ship. Over the years, in fact, we have endeavored to get our ships to be built also in our country. And over the past 3 years, with Fincantieri alone, we have invested over 1.7 billion euro. Together with Fincantieri, we have built MSC Seaside, we're building MSC Seaview. We have also prepared the Renaissance program, the upgrading and enlarging of 4 ships in the Palermo shipyard. We continuously collaborate with other activities to upgrade our ships and to add greater technology that will help to reduce the environmental impact on our ships. Mr. President, it's a great honor to have you here to witness and attend this important and significant moment for us. We are people from the sea, seafaring people, and we will take this as a good luck omen for our ship. MSC Cruises today is the greatest private capital cruising company in the world, and it is leader today in Europe. But it has not always been so, and it hasn't been easy to achieve this result. We need to thank the passion, the vision of Gianluigi Aponte, who believed in this project right from the start and putting us in the condition to grow by 800% in the first 15 years of life of the company. Today, thanks to all of this, we are now a global operator, cruise operator. Mr. President, the second ship of this generation, MSC Seaview, is currently being built here in Monfalcone. It will be handed over in May. Being an Italian, I am so proud to be able to announce today in your presence, Mr. President, that in order to celebrate our being Italian, MSC Seaview will be christened in Civitavecchia on the 2nd of June, the day of the celebration of the Republic. We'll be honored to have you attending that celebration, Mr. President. Dear guests, our level of celebration for what has been done so far by Fincantieri company, which in our sector represents the Italian excellence, is such that we have decided to build more ships together. So for this reason, I'm pleased to announce that this afternoon we will undersign a new agreement in the presence of Minister Del Rio for the construction of another 2 Seaside Evolution ships. Mr. President, they will be bigger, more spacious, then the Seaside generation ships. The 2 ships that will be built here in Monfalcone will be delivered, the first in 2021, the second in 2023, and they will entail a further investment of 1.8 billion euro. This will take our total investment with Fincantieri to 3.5 billion, and this confirms that we continue to strengthen our partnership, long-standing partnership with Fincantieri. This morning, Mr. Aponte said 1 year every year. Mr. Bono, I wish to thank you personally for your availability in these 3 years. Through you, I really would like to thank your amazing team of engineers, technicians, extraordinary workers and their union representatives, acknowledging the value of work. And I repeat what you said, refers to the first article of the Italian Constitution, and for our group, I can assure you this, Mr. Bono, this article comes first and foremost, before everything. Mr. Bono, I would like to take this opportunity to commend me with you, to congratulate you for having created these jobs, and thanks to your intervention, the government has found a way to consolidate your position as global leader in the shipbuilding industry. And in this respect, I suggest and recommend that you use this outcome and result achievement wisely. I'm sure that you will be sensitive enough to continue protecting this unbelievable know-how that you have in Italy and that generates such great economic benefits and so many jobs in our country. I also would like to thank in particular Minister Del Rio, who's representing the Italian government here today. We strongly and greatly appreciate your work and the work you've done reforming. Starting from the reform and governance of the Italian port system, I really want to thank you personally, and I have to applaud you for this. A lot still remains to be done. Hopefully, future governments will continue to show that they have the same kind of attention for our sector and our industry, taking into consideration all indications coming from the European Union. I'm referring, for example, to the delicate issue of planning the maritime space that will be finalized in the years to come. The port and maritime activities are interacting increasingly so with environmental activities, production activities and fishing activities, and for this reason I think we will necessarily need to study an integrated type of policy, and hopefully the government will nominate and establish an organization devoted and dedicated to sea policies. I would like to thank also Zeno D'Agostino, the Port Authority, also as president of Assoporti, and all his colleagues, presidents of ports who are present here today, the representatives of the harbor offices. We collaborate positively and favorably with them on the entire national territory. I also would like to thank the MSC team, MSC Cruises team, headed by Emilio Da Scala. And also I would like to thank the 16,000 people who work together with me in MSC Cruises. The last person I wish to thank is, of course, Gianluigi Aponte. Mr. Aponte, thank you for your vision, your leadership and your support. Thanks to you, we're here today to celebrate this historic moment for MSC Cruises and for the Italian economy. Thank you. Thank you.